Welcome to HospiTrack, an hospital management software system from GO developers. The software is being developed by clinicians who have learned and practiced software development for the past 3 years and even earned certifications from prestigious universities around the world, such as University of Michigan, Duke Universities, among others, through the online learning platform Coursera. So with this software, we aim to solve the problem we are encountering in our day-to-day clinical activities. Problems like missing patient case notes or spending hours looking for the case note on the cabinet, especially if the last time the patient visited hospital was a little bit long time ago. Inventory mismanagement is not a small issue in clinical settings. Problems like when you have 1,600 malaria cases in a month and ACT drugs used is being accounted at around 2,000. What of organizations with multiple branches, be it private or government, such as the State Hospital Management Board and Primary Healthcare Boards of all states in Nigeria? How easy is it for them to manage the events and data across all their primary healthcare centers and general hospitals under their watch? These and many of these problems are what we intend to solve with this software already in the software. Right now, we are having the interview that will welcome the users when launch the software on their desktop. Remember, this software is currently Windows applications, currently running on Windows machine. And we have different departments according to this layout. We have the clinic for the nurses and doctors. We have laboratory for the laboratory technicians and scientists. The account section for managing the billings and payments. We have the record office for the medical record officers. We have the pharmacy for the pharmacists and pharmacy technicians. Then the AI assistant is a future planned innovation. So I will start with the flow of patient. When patient gets into the clinic, at first they will visit the record office for registration. So when clicking on the record office, this is the gateway to record department where we are going to the staff that is already being registered as record officer. We log into the record office. The software is role-based. Each staff going to have access to the login. Select this. Then I will type my password. User, we can log in either by email or phone number. Then we enter the password. And this will be the interface for the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Then after the dashboard, we have patient registration. This is where we enroll new patients. So we select a title for patient, first name, last name, street, state, country, phone number. So moving to the clinic, click on the clinic. The staff will log in with the phone number or email address, then the password. So at the dashboard for the clinic, we can see the recent treatment. Then we come to the take vital signs. Here we need to search for patients with a phone number or email address. Let me quickly get the phone number here or this. So we search for patient using phone number, using the, and this is the details. We use the patient ID to record the data, systolic blood pressure, diastolic temperature, and all this. Then we save. Let's say we have 130, 70, pulse rate is 66, let's say temperature is 37.8, expression rate is, login is a nurse. That's why we are not seeing the consultation page. So I will log in as a doctor now. Now, after take vital signs, you can notice that we now have start consultation. Before we start consultation, firstly confirm the patient. We put the patient ID, press enter. Then if the patient is not registered at this clinic, we will not have this. And this is the vitals just done at the take vital signs. Then we come to the doctor can now take the complaint. Complaint will go here. Let's say fever. Then history, doctor will fill all this. If the patient has taken any drug, let's say the patient has taken paracetamol, then if there is any examination done at the doctor's office, doctor can select from the drugs here in the inventory, drug already added to prescription list. Then we enter the dosage, 160 milligram daily. Doctor can enter the quantity, admission status, outpatient. Jawasi 10 mils BT times 3 or 7. When we click on the lab, you can log into lab. So you can see the available result here. If any result has been done recently, you can see the request on queue. If doctor has made any request, then the result form, we have the result form here, which has sub. And you can also add new tests, category and test name. We can add its category, blood glucose test, then under blood sugar, close it. The request ID, the specimen like blood, then any note, then we click on save result. Account section. At the account section, when we log into account section, we have sales desk. At the sales desk, we customize this for centers that sell to patients. We can search for sales recorded successfully. At the account section, they have access to details of the patient. And here, patients can pay their wallet or their outstanding balance. For example, this person is owing the hospital 10,000 naira. From here, he can pay 3,000 naira. You can log into so pharmacists can create new inventory. Enter the drug name here, the drug class, the drug type, available quantity, the low stock threshold, cost price, and this, and they will save. And this is for restoring drugs. New service, they can create a services. These are the services we currently have: consultation, ECG, date created, dispensed drug, dispensed history. This page shows the history of all the dispensed drug. So here we can track how each drug is being used. We can search for a drug here. You can just copy the name of a drug and search for the history of how the drug is being used. Enter the quantity here and they click on dispense. And if this session has been dispensed before,